Alhamdulillah. Can I ask you about your daily routine and yourself? Yes, why not? What is your father and mother name? My father name is Bilal and my mother name is Rubina. How many members are there in your family? There are 4 members in our family. How many siblings do you have? I have one sister. When do you get up in the morning? I woke up at 6 o'clock. When do you have your breakfast? I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. What time go to madrasa? I go to madrasa 8 o'clock. When do you come home? I come back home 1 o'clock. What is your madrasa name? The name of my madrasa is Gofurul Salimul Quran Nuri Madrasa. What did you learn from madrasa? I learned moral values, social values and religious education from madrasa. Are you proud for madrasa? Yes, I'm proud of my madrasa. Thank you for answering the question. You are welcome.